Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix JBL Tune 760 not turning on. If you want to fix the issue, the first thing you need to do is to charge your headphone. First, you will need to try to charge your headphone, like full charge your headphone. This is the first thing you need to try. And the second thing you need to try is to press and hold the power button of your headphone about 1 minute. Simply press and hold the power button of your headphone about 1 minute. When you complete the 1 minute, then press 3 times the power button in the last. So simply press and hold the power button of your headphone about 1 minute and in the last press 3 times power button when you complete the 1 minute process. This is the second thing you need to try. And the third thing you need to try is to press and hold the plus button and the minus button of your headphone together about 10 to 15 seconds. This is the third thing you need to try. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.